Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, I hope you got what you needed to get done outside because it looks like the weather is going to be making a turn here in the next 24 hours, Caleb.
Yeah, definitely starting to trend more and more towards less impacts for us, but we are certainly going to see some impacts over the next couple of days. And why not? I mean, it's been such a nice weekend. It's time for us to get a little bit of snow out there. Let's take a live look outside the studio right now. We have cloudy skies. Our temperature is at 39 degrees, so still kind of mild. We did get well above average today. Our high temperature got to 51 degrees, about 11 degrees above average. Even our low temperature was above average as well. Now, we were above average this weekend. We just had a cold front move through, so that's going to change, kind of set the tone for a cooler week ahead. Right now, though, 40 in Mason, 42 in Jackson, 40 in Hillsdale, and 39 degrees in Lansing. Our winds have been out of the southwest all weekend. That was the reason for the above average warmth, kind of pulling that southern warmer air mass this way. But the cold front just moved through. Now our winds out of the west-northwest. They are on the lighter side, but they are starting to slowly usher in a much cooler air mass to mid-Michigan. With that tonight, our temperatures dip into the low 30s, 31 degrees. Could see a couple of snow showers, perhaps mixing with some rain late tonight towards the wee hours of tomorrow morning. Could be a couple of slick spots, especially in our southern and eastern counties tomorrow morning. And again, winds staying out of the northwest, shifting to the north, 10 to 15 miles per hour tonight. Now the Doppler radar, well, it shows right now not anything happening in mid-Michigan really. Satellite picking up on an extensive swath of cloud cover. You can kind of start to see some showers lifting through Indiana, and that's what's going to come our way. And here's the setup. We had this cold front move through. This is kind of going to fizzle out now, allowing this potent area of low pressure to lift to the northeast. I think it is going to stay far enough east to not impact us quite as much as we maybe were thinking a few days ago. Let's go ahead and show you how things unfold. Again, overnight tonight, this kind of just takes over to that cold front. You can see it lifting through the Ohio Valley towards Pennsylvania. In doing so, the back edge of precipitation just creeping into mid-Michigan here. It's going to continue to strengthen and lift to the north, and you can see kind of that back edge of snowfall just really staying in place there, just kind of grazing our eastern counties. This is moving through the day on Tuesday. It does start to lift away. And finally, as we head into the day Wednesday, that's when we finally see that lift away and we lose all the impacts. Wednesday looks like it's going to be a pretty nice day for us. Let's go ahead and time things out here specifically in mid-Michigan. Again, overcast skies throughout the night tonight. Winds out of the north-northwest. By tomorrow morning, we could see a couple of snow showers out there, primarily in our southern and eastern counties down towards Hillsdale, Adrian, and Ann Arbor. As we move through the day, we're going to kind of be between different impacts here. So to our east of mid-Michigan, we're going to see some snowfall, and then to the western part of the state, they're going to be dealing with some lake effect snow showers. But here in mid-Michigan, I think we primarily just see overcast skies tomorrow and the occasional snow shower, perhaps some flurries as well. And then moving through the overnight hours into Tuesday morning, we'll see some more snow showers. Temperatures below freezing. So if we do see any impacts in mid-Michigan, I think it'll be slick spots Tuesday morning when our temperatures are below freezing. That would allow any snow to stick to those roadways out there. Moving through the day on Tuesday, I think we actually see more in the way of cloudiness, perhaps a couple more snow showers lingering. But again, that system does slowly start to depart to the northeast, and that is when we can start our clearing trend. Now, as far as snowfall is concerned, nothing crazy at all. Generally speaking, about a trace to 2 inches between Lansing and Jackson, and then higher amounts the further south and east you go, especially towards Howell, Ann Arbor, and Adrian, and towards Detroit and the Thumb region. That's where we're going to see the highest snowfall totals from the storm. Again, then drying out for Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, and moving through the remainder, or at least the second half of the work week, we're going to see a mix of sun and clouds. Average temperature is around 40 degrees, tracking another system then coming for the second half of the coming weekend.